one thing only, because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. That is the reason you put in your email. Maybe you're looking to see if this is actually true or not. Well, I'm telling you, this is absolutely truth. I'm about to show you a 2-minute and 29-second video of
proof that this program, this simple little $250 program, can actually put 1,000 or more per day in your pocket. Now that's if it's worked properly, and I'll get into detail about that here towards the end of the video. But let me just scroll through here real quick. You can see yesterday's date. It's 11/11, and it's the 12th today. So these are all from.
It's transactions between 500 all the way up to 22,000 in some circumstances. I mean, there's other companies out there. I even have positions and spots in those companies, and so does Sally. Again, my name's Tammy Montgomery, the Fearless Mama. I'm here with Sally Darling. I'm here with Mary Beth Angelelli. I'm also here with Tess Mayhem. I hope I said your name right. And and we're going to be speaking with you tonight, just to kind of give you guys a little glimpse what this is, what we do, how, right? And and we're going to be speaking with you tonight, just to kind of give you guys a little glimpse what this is, what we do, how do we make money, how do we have time freedom, how do we have freedom to, for example, travel across the country, which I'm going to be doing here.
$250 a sale, $250 a sale, $250 a sale. Are you ready to earn $250 commissions? All right, guys, I wanted to share with you here another way you can make some awesome income online. Now, this one's more of a high ticket program. I didn't want to say high ticket yet because it leads into high ticket programs. Now, this is one of my programs to where I'm able to earn instant commissions. No, I don't have to wait a week. No one's paying it out to me from another company, anything like that. What happens is that
this is Sam Randall here, showing another incredible review here for Fearless Mama. Before I move on, I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you, and looking forward to also partnering with you to reach our financial goals for 2019. Let's get it right into it, you guys. Fearless Mama. The reason why I do these videos, you guys, I do my due diligence.
Hi guys, it's Krista Zabrowski, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some of my results that I have achieved with the Fearless Mama 2.0 program that I just joined today, only 2 hours ago. And so far I have generated almost 40 leads in my AWeber autoresponder. This list entitled Make $250 a Day is a brand new list that I set up today that's specifically for promoting the Fearless Mama, and I have a lot more leads than what I'm showing here. This is just all that my tablet would capture with my snipping tool. So I couldn't be more pleased with my results. I have never had leads come into my autoresponder this quickly in my life.
If you are not seeing the success that you want to see. And so far, since I've been involved in this community, I've made $2,500, okay? In the last 72 hours. I've only been in for 72 hours, $2,500 this week, and we're just getting started. I'm just introducing people to the educational platform. That is all I'm doing. And I haven't had anyone that has had complaints about what they've seen, what they've heard. They are loving it, okay? So if you have any questions, you know where to find me. You can find me on Facebook, give me a call. I'm gonna leave the link below to join.
The $250 in 72 hours, and then you let the system go and do all the work for you and create commissions, okay? So, like I said, it's 100% commissions. There's no admin fees at all, and there's no pass ups, and there's no monthly fees. It's $250 one time, and that's it. Okay. This is the products. These are all. I'm not going to go through all these and list them. You can check it out once you opt in, and check out the link below this video, and it'll take you right to this page. You can see exactly what you're getting for your $250. It's well worth it because the training is I mean, that's one of the main reasons why I liked it, because the training is so good. It just tells you exactly the things to do to get sales and commissions. Okay.